Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So a couple of months ago I bought a Mark 5 Golf GTI which I previously owned, but it got written off by a garage. Check back on one of my old videos to see what happened. But since buying this car back, it has been fitted with a midsection delete and the thing just sounds absolutely awful. So it sounds awful because of the midsection. And when I'm driving down the motorway or just sort of in fourth, fifth gear, it just drones. It is it is shocking. So I'm treating it today to a budget. This is the cheapest, sort of cheapest one I could find, brand new, to a brand spanking new stainless steel catback with a resonator. I've got a D-cap to go on it, but that's got to have to wait until I do the turbo build. So this is a 2.5 inch catback stainless steel from Gravity Performance, I think. It was like 200 odd, 300 quid, something like that. So yeah, I'll do a little before with the standard exhaust with the resonator delete. You might notice I'm in a different location today. I've actually stolen my father-in-law's garage while he's at work, so yeah, I can do it in the dry and less distractions. So I'm going to start by just jacking the car up as high as I can go, and then we got to start tackling this this exhaust. Hopefully, because the midsection's been deleted already, that means it's been taken off recently, so it shouldn't be too bad. So the car's all jacked up on axle stands. I'm looking underneath the car. Ugh, it's not looking too nice. There's like quite a lot of surface rust and it's a bit dirty. So I've just had a quick look on eBay, because I love eBay, and you can buy a complete rear end kit so it's got like new arms, new everything, to all new bushes. So I might have to give that a little go. If anyone in the comments can let me know if they're any good, are they as good as OEM, are they better, that'd be great. Time to start unbolting this exhaust. I'm going to start by taking this back box off just to get it out of the way. So yeah, I'm going to start by just releasing this bracket here, which looks like a cheap ass bracket. Pull the back box off and start disassembling the whole car. And by the looks of it, the weld has failed on this. That's probably a lot of the noise that I'm hearing. If you look, so that's just some cheap eBay crap. I can pretty much tell straight away that is not very good if the weld's cracked already.
Baseline hit some more 8-line this. Buy me a whip, then I take my pick, then I find me a chick I can make my itch. Darkness in motion. It's a 16 bar from the dark of the ocean. Flow penetrates egos with the dark of the broken. Meanwhile, inhale smoking, won't let me get my roaching. Been promoting the green and the purest herb. MPs get vexed and they swear they words on daytime telly, but they blur with her light work. I rep mine, got a sword for the dagger and the best wine. Young boy and I'm battling the best lines. And you never give a fuck about yes, and you best keep walking. Brush me again, but see much talking. Old lot of violence.
So that's the standard airbox taken off. We're not going to be needing that anymore. Now it's just this resonator delete to take off. So I got to shimmy my belly through there, undo that bracket, pop it off, and Bob's your uncle. Before I do that, I'm going to lay some cardboard down, because there's nothing worse than laying on a concrete floor on your back. Perfect. I forgot I got something new for the car. So these, if I could get it, can also go in the bin. I've got some new 3D plates, yeah, which go like that. Are they 3D or 4D? I don't know, someone let me know in the comments. But yeah, they were 20 quid and they just make everything look so much nicer. I'm going to give this a quick clean behind, stick this on, carry on with that exhaust. But yeah, I just seen them and I thought, why not? I'm going to have to remove this brace here, bracket, exhaust bracket, brace, whatever you call it. Remove that. It's just 4 13mm bolts. Pop that off. I've already lubed it up with some WD to make it easier. And then this stainless steel section can back off. I'm not sure how much you can see under here, but yeah, I'll try and get it on video.
Boy, don't test me. Now I mean it, boy, don't vex me. Man, power outside too much pesky. Flex like Messi, then get kick off your jet ski. Chat about damage, stop. Always wanna chat about damage, shot. You lot are way too average. What to be walking, man, chat about savage plot. Drop. If you got a team, go get 'em. Don't hesitate, my G, just bell 'em. Rubber constrictor, way off the rig to you and your ribs get drenched in venom.
So I'm just going to be removing just one of these bolts on the clamp just to remove this side, so hopefully that works. And then when I do the decap, get rid of that big horrible thing, yeah, it's all going to get changed anyway. So because this has been off before, it should be quite easy.
And you never give a fuck about yes, and you best keep walking. Brush me again, but see much talking.
So that's the blow in. Look at them welds. Jesus, my 4-year-old could do better than that. But yeah, that's the res delete off. I would offer it away for free, but it's blowing, so hey ho, it's going in the scrap pile. Before I go any further with this exhaust, I want you all to smash that subscribe button. I'm on 600 odd subscribers, and it'd be amazing if by Christmas I can get to 1,000 subs, and then you'll see a lot more content on this Golf. So I got to do a turbo change, I got to get it mapped. I'm doing full track spec or semi sort of track spec, and also I've got plans for other cars, and I'm not going to reveal that yet, but yeah, in the future there's going to be some more cars on the channel, and I'm going to start showing off some of my friends' cars as well, because there's some crazy cars. We've got turbo Nissan Micras, there's Focus STs, there's all sorts, M140s, M135s, and here's me with just a bog standard Golf. But yeah, hey ho. So yeah, if you could smash that subscribe button and leave a comment, that'd be much appreciated. So yeah, back to squeezing my belly under that gap. Right, so I managed to get the reducer on. Again, you're probably not going to see anything because it is as dark as anything under it. So the end of this midsection resonator, whatever you want to call it, slots over there. Put a bracket on, so I'll put that over there, and yeah, struggle under this little gap that I'm in. I'm not sure if I can record because I've not got a tripod small enough, and my camera, all I've got is this little stick. So I'll try. If I do, I do. If I don't, I'll show you the after. I've got to try and, because it's wide and a bit bulky and heavy, I've got to try and slot it onto the exhaust and get it on the brackets all at the same time with nothing but 2 hands. So it should be doable. It is doable, I know, but it's just going to be a ball-ache lead on the floor. So yeah, I'll have to come back when this is done. So I've just come to the conclusion that it sounds stock, which I'm not too bothered about, because once I decat it, that should open up the sound a bit more and it's not going to be drony. With the wonky exhaust problem that I've got to take the whole exhaust off again when I do the decat and the turbo change again. So for now, it's only going to be a couple of weeks. I'll let it sit there. Probably going to melt my rear diffuser, but eventually everything's going to get sorted out, so don't give me any hate just yet, because it is going to get sorted. But yeah, I'm pretty disappointed really. I thought it would have sounded just a bit louder, but it looks better than it did, and it's not going to be as drony, so it's a win-win. So I've just drove the car back home and already it sounds 100 times better. There's no droning, but it does still sound quite stock, so I'm hoping when I get the decat fitted and mapped and stuff that it opens up the noise of the exhaust a bit more. But yeah, buzzing that all the droning stopped, because honestly it's just, you can't have the radio up loud enough to get rid of it and it just vibrates everywhere. So yeah, thanks for watching, and again, if you could hit that subscribe button, that'd be great. I've still got quite a few videos planned on this car, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Cheers.